Today we're going to make broccoli cheese balls. A great little appetizer, easy to make. So let me show you how to make this so you can make it for your family. We're going to start out with finely chopped broccoli. 1 egg, Panko, and of course all the measurements are included in the recipe. A little red pepper flakes. We're going to mix this up. And then we have 3 different cheeses. A cup of Colby, a cup of cheddar. I like the white cheddar. And 4 ounces of little cubes of processed Velveeta. Mix this up really well. All right, I think that's mixed well enough. I'm going to make this into small balls. It should make about 12. Squeeze them together. We're going to chill this for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and bread them and fry them. All right, now that makes 12. We're going to put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I'll come back and bread them, and then we'll fry them. All right, the broccoli cheese balls have been chilled for 30 minutes. Now we're going to bread them. A little flour into the egg. I want it completely coated. No areas left uncoated. And then into the Pankos. We'll go back and forth with this. Well, the cheese balls are all breaded. Now you can fry them now, or these can be made the day ahead and refrigerated. The next day, take them out for about 30 minutes and then fry them. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them in this container and fry them tomorrow. So this is a great make ahead appetizer. There we go. I'm only going to put a maximum of 4 in here. It's a small fryer, and there's only 12 to cook. Ooh, now they're all fried. Time to plate and enjoy. Let's cut this one open. Oh, doesn't that look good? Look how cheesy. I chose to serve this with bacon jam and a bacon aioli. Both were purchased. I did not make them myself, but they're very good. Now I'm going to try the bacon aioli. Both were very good. I think I have a slight preference for the bacon jam. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. This is the type of content you will find on my channel. If you like cooking videos like this, you should consider subscribing. And ring the bell so you'll always be notified when we post another video. Give this recipe a try. I know you'll enjoy it. Y'all have a blessed day.